Yeah, hi everyone. Um, how are you all doing? Okay, so this is a follow-up video to the notification fix video I did earlier for the Redmi Turbo. Okay, so if you have a Chinese device, you definitely would have notification problems if you're not in China. Why do we buy the Chinese variants? They are actually more superior, having better cameras, having better um, optimization of the software. The batteries are bigger, I mean, there's every reason to get the China variant, than the global variant. Okay. Okay. Just for example, we have the Note 5 now, OnePlus Note 5. And in China, it's actually the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra. Okay. So you can imagine. And then if you look at the specs of both, it actually differs. So today we'll be looking at the Honor Power. This is the Chinese variant. Okay. You don't even have a global variant for this right now. And this is the Iqoo Z9 Turbo, the endurance edition. Okay, so let's start with the Honor Power. How do you fix your notification issues? So maybe we'll try out the usual one, which is a very notorious app when it comes to running in the background. We'll try the WhatsApp. So you depress on your WhatsApp and you want to go to your notification. First thing, okay, ensure that it has the notification allowed. Once that's done, you go to your permission, ensure that you have all permissions granted, location, everything extra permissions and all of that. Allow that, okay? And then you go straight to your power usage details. If that's quite synonymous with all of them, you've got to go to your power option in your battery aspects. Could be in the battery, it could just it could just be a standalone. So here it's a standalone. Just go to your power usage details. Okay. And then you go to launch settings. All right. Okay. So now we can see it right now. Okay. Let me put the phone this way. This helps. I'm actually using a dark theme. So it actually tends to reflect light. Okay, so auto launch, very important. This means that it keeps launching itself at the background. So launch on startup or in background, very important. Don't put it on automatic. If you put it on automatic, it means that the system will always crash the app, just to reduce battery consumption. Okay, so put it on auto launch. You want it to keep launching. Of course, this drains your battery, but that's the reason why you bought your phone. You bought your phone so that you can use these apps and you can receive notification in real time. Okay, so forget about the secondary launch. Just go straight to run in background, and that's it. Okay, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's for the Honor Power. This is Honor running on, let's see. So we are very in tune. This is the Magic OS 9. Okay, so this is going to be synonymous with all other phones of Honor running on Magic OS 9. All right, so that's that for the Honor phone. Now let's go to the Iqoo. This is the Iqoo Z9 Turbo Endurance Edition, the one with the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 and the 6400 battery capacity. Lovely phone. Okay, so we also go to WhatsApp as well. Okay, and here it's a little bit different, but of course it's the same. Go to your notification and ensure that you have your notification allowed, your permission as well. Look at the permissions. These are the things I have allowed. Okay, so you go to your permission, allow everything you need to allow, view all permissions, allow everything you feel you need to allow. Okay, and then battery life. Okay, you can see in battery life. Now this is battery life on the Vivo Iqoo. Okay, it's saying it took us, we had the option of the battery and not power. So in the battery, you'll find out the power consumption in the battery. Okay, so what you need to do, let's check out more consumption details. Nothing really here, just telling you what really consumes. Then you go to your background power consumption management. Okay, this one is straightforward. All you need to do is high background power usage. Don't click on background power smart. That helps you to reduce the running in the background of that very application. Okay, so what you need to do is high background power usage. Okay, so once you do that, you will receive your notification in real time. Okay, guys, I hope this has been educative and has helped someone. If it has, like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next video.